what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm actually doing a tutorial of this look that I'm wearing right here. And since fall season is around the corner, I wanted to create something which is very, like fall appropriate. Also, winter season is also coming, so I think this is not only fall appropriate, it is also very winter appropriate as well. Also, I am someone who really likes to experiment with my makeup looks all of the time, and I'm also someone who never like shies away from wearing bolder colors together. So this look is like very bold. It has got these smoky eyes going on with a like very bold lip. Also in this video I've actually used a couple of new products and I'm so excited to share everything with you guys. So if you're not excited and want to know the tutorial of this look right here, then let's get started. So starting off today's makeup by using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, and today I'm actually using this foundation after such a long time and I clearly missed using this, and you guys can see like how beautifully it blended onto my skin, and this has to be like one of my favorite foundations. The texture of this foundation is absolutely beautiful. I'm in the shade 220 Sand and this is such a perfect match for my skin. And I'm also using like this foundation on my under eye area and also on my eyelids. I'm skipping concealer today because I didn't feel like using one because this foundation is already very full coverage. It's time to set the base, and I'm using the All Set to Go Banana Powder by Sugar Cosmetics, and I absolutely love the packaging over here. Now, a banana powder makes sure that the base makeup stays on your skin for longer hours, and especially if you're someone who has oily skin, this is actually a boon for us girls, trust me, and it's actually better than pressed powders. And speaking of this particular sugar powder, I absolutely love the texture of this one. It doesn't make my skin or my base makeup dry. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm not doing anything dramatic here, just setting them with a spoolie and that's all. For my blush today, I'm using the Kiro Glow On Blush Duo, and first of all, look at the packaging, guys. It's so stunning, right? It's compact, sleek and stylish and I absolutely love it, and this is the color combination I'm using today, and I absolutely loved the texture of this blush on my skin. It's super soft and it just blended so beautifully on my skin, and I think this particular color combination is perfect for the days when you just want to have like that nice flush of color on your skin, and also perfect for your no makeup days as well. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be using the Tummy X Revolution Carnival eyeshadow palette, and look at the colors in this palette, guys. It's so pretty, right? And they've got this beautiful bright colors in this palette, and that's why I picked this up. It was actually for rupees 1950, but I got it for rupees 1170, such a steal deal, right? Okay, so I wanted to go in with a smoky eye but with a hint of color on it. So firstly I am picking this black shade, this jet black shade, and it looks super stunning. It's very pigmented, as you guys can clearly see. So I'm firstly packing this color on my eyelid, and then I'm going to take this blending brush and I'm actually blending the edges of this black shade. Next, I'm taking this pink color and I'm actually blending the edges of the black shade with the help of a pink color because I wanted, like a soft pop of color with black. And next, I am taking this color right over here. It's a beautiful mix of pink and red, and I'm blending both the pink and black color with the help of this color right over here. And I'm actually loving how smoky yet a little colorful this eye makeup is looking now. For mascara, I'm using the Swiss Beauty mascara. I think this mascara is your everyday mascara, when you don't want your lashes to look dramatic. It doesn't, excessively volumize or lengthen your lashes, and that's why, especially on the days when you don't want extra drama on your lashes, I think it's great for those days. And the reason I went ahead with this today was because my eye makeup was extremely bold. So that's why I went ahead with it, and just like that, I did my other eye as well. Okay, moving on to the highlighter, I'm using Blossom Babe highlighter by Wet n Wild, and it's such a gorgeous highlighter. Like, the texture is beautiful, absolutely stunning. It's not harsh at all. It's very soft and looks extremely stunning. For lipstick, I'm using the Kiro Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Berry Eclipse, and I absolutely love the shade so much. I think this is such a like party shade. Also, it's non-drying and very comfortable on the lips as well. Now I wanted to share a very cool feature on the Amazon app. It's called the virtual tool. So while you're buying lipsticks, you can actually try it virtually to see how it looks on you. So you can actually take your photo at the very moment when you're purchasing the lipstick, and whichever shade you are willing to purchase, just tap on it and scroll the bar and you can actually see how it looks on you at the very moment. And I think this is such a cool feature. So here's my final makeup look. Let me change my outfit and I'll be right back. So here's my final look, guys, and you can check out all the products that I used today on Amazon because the most affordable and exciting sale is coming up, which is the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. It's starting on the 3rd of October, so don't forget to wishlist your favorite products and stock up during the sale coming up. Alright you guys, so that was it, and let me know in the comment section, how did you guys like this look? Would you be wearing a bold eye or a bold lip together? Like, let me know your thoughts on this look in the comment section. Also, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And if you like this video, then please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure that you share this video with your friends and family. And if you still are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do. It would mean so much to me. Also hit the bell button so that you'll be notified every single time I come up with a new video. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye.